Did you know how toxins enter the skin? I was shocked, when I read this article, and it said that, a Swiss study concluded that, five of the most people who had cancer, or, a lot of diseases or whatever, said that nose, when we go out there, air fresheners, perfumes, restaurant, like there are so many things, chemicals all over, and it is affecting our body whether we like it or not. And eyes, when we see TV, or we see something which is fighting or horrible or killing it, we think you're okay, it's okay, but it is affecting our eyes. If we are not liking it, there are toxins and it is entering the body, so we have to be very important. And ears, if we hear like loud noises every time and stressed, and people are shouting or honking, and you will be surprised, even the alarm clock is actually, you notice we get up in a stark, and it really does affect the ears, which is not good, for health. And they say 15,000 toxic chemicals are there in the food, and it's all listed in the labels, packaged food and all the adulterated food or whatever we have in the packaged food. So it's very important to be aware of these little things of our daily living. Make lifestyle changes, go out, walk in nature, be peaceful, be happy, see fun things, spend time with your family, joke around, go out, means be happy, and don't be always with putting so many chemicals all over your body. And be aware of what you're buying also. Make sure they are chemical free and pesticide free, because these are little things which we neglect. And then we've seen now the amount of diseases that are increasing all over the world, which is really shocking, because industrial revolution, pollution is happening, global warming, all over the world, wars. So obviously all these things is going to affect us whether we like it or we don't like it. So, and plus there's stress, our lifestyle changes, plus we are eating all this type of food, putting chemicals, so it's like a overall circle, it goes on. So we have to be very aware of present of what we are doing in our daily life, even in our work. It's not only about eating. Are we stressed the whole day? Are we sad the whole day? Are we feeling irritated because when with this, or we angry the whole day? Because when we have such emotions also, this also affect the body, and it does affect our health. The research study was said, that one day of loneliness is equal to having 15 cigarettes a day. So it's like I think health is I know health is a combination of mind, body and soul. So it's very important to align your mind, body and soul. And I know it can't be always aligned, because everyone has stresses and everyone has challenges, but the idea is to come out of it and be aware that this is happening to you, and be present with yourself. Like you're irritated, oh yes, I'm irritated, maybe take 10 deep breaths. Or if you've had something, maybe late, or had a late night or this thing, detox the next day by not eating anything, or just having water, or doing all pilling, or having lemon shots, or detoxing your body the next day. So these things are very important. We have to learn to balance ourselves. So thank you so much for listening to this video. Please forward this video to your family and friends, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I always believe that you are a gift on planet Earth. Thank you.